We all want to be happy, and ultimately, happiness is the state of completeness or unity. We gradually realize that we are complete by nature and that we don't need to prove anything to anyone, not even ourselves. However, it is a journey, and to succeed, we must ensure we don't skip any steps. Becoming self-confident after gaining skills that require focus, dedication, and work is an important milestone on our path to happiness. When we know we have mastered a particular skill, we know that we can also face our inner obstacles, if we choose to do so. I'm Filip Mráček, Master Chinese Teacher of Diplomats and published author of a book about the journey to happiness. And I have a major confidence booster ready for you. It's called Confidence in Chinese in One Day, and it's a one-day online workshop. It will expand your horizons, bring you a deep sense of accomplishment, sharpen your senses, refresh your brain, and most importantly, prepare you to handle a complex situation. Now imagine taking your business partner, your friends, or a date to a Chinese restaurant in your hometown, in China, in Taiwan, or anywhere around the world, and confidently leading important parts of the conversation in Chinese. Now imagine how you'll feel, confident and accomplished. Imagine how others will see you with new respect and admiration in their eyes. Imagine how this skill will set you apart from others, showing that you are a person of dedication. There is no need to wait. You can save your seat for free if you act now. Just click the link.